Hello people, this is Self-Tuts and we are continuing our series on Docker for beginners, and in this video we'll see how we can list all the images that are present on your local machine. So in the previous videos we have already learned about the Docker images, like what are the things that a Docker image contain and how we can download a Docker image. Let's see how we can list all the images that are downloaded from the Docker registry. For this, let us go to our terminal. Basically what we'll be doing is using the Docker client. So we have Docker client already present when we install the Docker. So it has some commands you can see here, and one of the command is Docker images. So let's see the Docker images command and see what is the output. So this is Docker images. In the last video we downloaded two images, that is MySQL and Hello World, and here you can see that these are the different descriptions about the current image which is present on our local machine. If we download new images, then all those images will be present here, and those images can be used to create the containers. So let's see the details. So what is the repository name? It is MySQL, and here it is Hello World. So whenever you upload any Docker image to the Docker registry, then there is a notion of repository. So basically whenever you create an account, you can create a registry, a repository. So you can say that a repository uniquely identifies a place in the Docker registry. Why? Because let's say I also created a MySQL image and you also created a MySQL image. So if we push the same image name, then there will be a conflict on the Docker registry because the image name is same. But to segregate that, what we do, we basically have this notion of repository where in the Docker registry a image is identified using the repository name and then the image name and then finally the tag. The second column is the tag, and we have already seen in the previous video that any image when uploaded on Docker registry has two things. One is the name and another is the tag. So an image can have multiple versions, and those are basically differentiated based on that tags, or you can identify images, different versions of the same image using tag. If no tag is provided, then the latest tag is automatically used and you can have your own meaningful tag names. So it can be v1, it can be version 1, anything, whatever you want, till the time it is a free text. So you can provide any tag whatever you want to your image, and you can have multiple versions of the same image. The third thing is the image ID. So whenever you download the image from the Docker registry, so a unique ID is given to that image in the Docker registry, and same in your local Docker installation. So this is the unique image ID which identifies this image. So if you download 100 images on your local machine, then all those have their own unique IDs, but their name can be same or the tag can be same, but the image ID needs to be different. The fourth column is the created at, which basically says that when this image was created or when it was updated. So it is 10 days ago, either it was created or it was updated, and what is the size of this image. So every image has a size. If there is more things inside that Docker image, then the size will increase, and it's better to use lesser size images because that eats up less memory on your local machine or on the cloud images where you deploy those Docker images. So basically this is the way we can see all the images that are present on your local machine, and you can just use this command Docker images and get the list of all the images that are present. So hope you like this video, hope you like my channel. Please share these videos and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.